On their website, I saw they offered elegant drapery packages for every window type. They had such an amazing selection of designs in a series of videos that showed me exactly how they do it. So I decided to call them and schedule my free design consultation, and I ordered my sample design kit. It included my design illustrations, fabric, and hardware samples. I was able to look at them in the ambience of my home, and this allowed me to choose the colors that went with our furnishing and wall colors. They showed me different designs for my window types and how they would look in my home. They also discussed the price with me that met my budget. Everything was clear and easy. I placed my order right there and then. I highly recommend Galaxy Design for anybody who's looking for draperies and wants some elegance in their home. Just pick up the phone and give them a call.